Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul. I'm 10 years old. I have this intense dislike for brushing my teeth. Like, seriously? Who had time for that when there were video games to conquer and TV shows to binge watch? Mornings and nights in the bathroom felt like a total waste. So what did I do? I dodged the toothbrush like a ninja and occasionally fibbed to my parents about it. Consequences? Didn't care. Then, reality hit me like a punch to the gut. My breath went from a mediocre to a full-on assault on anyone within nose shot. I tried masking it with chewing gum and chugging water, but my friends and even teachers were onto me. I was basically the kid with the invisible force field of bad breath, and nobody wanted to get too close. My teeth weren't just stained, they were staging a revolt. Eating and sleeping became Olympic level challenge. And the worst part, I still refused to admit that maybe, just maybe, I should start brushing my teeth. But then came the fateful day when my mom dropped the bomb, a dental appointment. Panic mode activated. I envisioned a sadistic dentist ready to turn my teeth into modern art. Cue the protest. Mom, please, not the dentist. She dropped truth bombs like a pro. My teeth were in a sorry state and consequences were non-negotiable. No more dodging this bullet. Fast forward to the dental clinic. Dr. Ali, my supposed dental savior, was a beacon of friendliness. In a white coat, he assured me no pain would come my way and that I'd live with a sticker and candy for bravery. Score! As Dr. Ali worked his magic, I zoned out with some tunes and movie, numbing injections, a suction gadget, and goggles. It was like a dental spa day. No pain, just a weird sensation of pressure. Before I knew it, Dr. Ali declared victory, and I rinsed my mouth to find a dazzling set of pearly whites. Who knew they were hiding under all that chaos? Dr. Ali became my oral hero, dishing out wisdom like a candy. He laid down the law. Brush twice per day. Floss like your smile depends on it. And mouthwash is your new best friend. And oh, see me every 6 months. And then I said, challenge accepted. I left the dental battlefield with a newfound swagger, ready to flash my gleaming smile to the world. From that day forward, I swore off neglecting my teeth and embraced the oral hygiene gain like a champion. The lesson, don't mess with the dentist, and brushing your teeth, turns out, it's not just for adults.